Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jules, and today I'm going to show you how I make a super simple iced matcha latte. You guys know that I make my full, fat, healthy superfood matcha latte in the morning, and that's always a warm drink, but that is filled with so many different ingredients that I put in my blender. To simplify everything, I'm going to show you what I do for a quick, simple iced matcha latte if I'm, say, going to make something in the afternoon. Right now it is 95 degrees in Austin. It's just super refreshing, especially on a hot summer day. Here we are. You may have noticed I am in my new kitchen. We just moved into our brand new house, and today we went and bought so many plants. We are sweaty and hot and exhausted, so it's the perfect time to make an iced matcha. I've got my Matcha Full ceremonial grade. It is amazing. It smells so good and it tastes delicious. It's single origin matcha from Japan. I have a video all about 5 things you should know about matcha, and it also shares my favorite matcha brands, how you can tell what quality matcha is, and it's just a great starter guide. So if you don't know anything about matcha, then I'm going to link that video below. Thank you all so much for watching. As you can see, it's so simple, so easy, it's delicious. What I love about matcha is that it's very individual to you, and you can decide how much water you want, how much milk you want, but if you have a high quality matcha, then it should taste good even if you're drinking it straight with water. So I hope you'll check out my other videos and get to know some of my favorite matcha brands. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to like and comment below telling me what you'd like to see next. Thanks guys for watching. Bye now.